Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb on a Chrysler Pacifica. First, let's prepare for the task. You will need an 8mm socket, a ratchet, and your new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the hood is open for safety. It is crucial to confirm you have the correct bulb type for your Pacifica before starting the replacement process. Now, let's access the headlight bulb. Begin by locating the two 8mm bolts positioned at the top of the headlight assembly. Use your ratchet and socket to carefully remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently push down on the bumper cover and pull the entire headlight assembly forward. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small release tab and pulling it free. With the headlight assembly out, you can now replace the bulb. First, remove the round rubber dust cover from the back of the housing. Reach inside, twist the old bulb 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and carefully pull it straight out. Take your new bulb and insert it, twisting it 1/4 turn clockwise until it locks securely into place. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb to prevent premature failure. You're almost done. Now, replace the rubber dust cover and firmly reconnect the electrical harness to the bulb. Carefully align the headlight assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place until it seats correctly. Reinstall the two 8mm bolts at the top of the assembly, tightening them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm that your new headlight bulb is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.